Come home to Middlebury, Vermont. Just minutes from downtown and Middlebury College, this elegantly restored and updated home awaits its new owners. This historic property includes an attached barn with apartment and garage, as well as a separate barn that has potential for multiple uses. The 1-acre lot and mature trees offer in-town privacy. Built in 1818, this home is included in A Walking History of Middlebury, which features homes that have architectural and historical significance. Imagine relaxing and entertaining on your private patio, complete with an outdoor fireplace, perfect for those chilly Vermont evenings. Inside, the house has been rebuilt and restored from floor to ceiling, with a tasteful nod to the past and a practical acceptance of modern convenience. The galley kitchen features a DeLonghi professional gas range, flanked by soapstone countertops. A formal living room invites warm gatherings. The primary bedroom suite offers a serene retreat with its own sunroom, a private bath, and 2 vessel sinks. The ground floor of the original attached barn has been converted to a woodworking shop and 2-car garage. Owned and restored by master craftsmen, quality materials and attention to detail meet the eye in every room. The home's back door entrance opens to a mudroom with stairs leading to the upstairs apartment, which is on the same level as the house. There you will find a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment featuring vaulted ceilings and soapstone gas stove, and double doors opening to a balcony with views of the park-like backyard. This historic Middlebury estate awaits its new stewards, promising a blend of history, elegance, and modern living. Schedule a tour and discover the unique character of this historic Middlebury home.